Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 8th of July 2020. Currently about 8:05 a.m. local. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts, what I've done on them this morning. Not much to report. The new candle was at 4 a.m., which was just over 4 hours ago. So, fair bit of time. Not much has happened, as I said. So, we'll have a look at them. Now, instead of me going through the setup every week, every time I do a video, you can just pause the video and read what the setup is, you can take a screenshot of that, pause it, take a screenshot, so you know what you're looking at when you're on the charts. It basically explains my setups, what all the lines that mean on the charts, but generally I'll run through it anyway. So let's go to the charts. Now, all right, this is my trading view. And this is my watch list on the right, all the pairs I'm trading at, looking at, etc. If it's highlighted in blue, means I've got a trade on. If it's highlighted in pink, it means just something's got my attention. Yellow means I'm going to discuss it in the video, or orange, whatever you want to call it. No color, no trade. So I've got a couple of pairs with no trades on at the moment. So let's just start with a CAD yen. There was a new sell signal this morning. I didn't take it. This grey line is just a warning line. I'm already in a sell from up here. This is my sell, the red lines, and it's got a stop in place. The MAs are starting to head up. This thing's just going sideways. I could have taken a sell there, but I've already got one on, so I'm not really that fussed about it. So I'm just going to leave it as is for the moment. So no trade taken on the CAD yen on the new sell signal. Even though the MACD platinum's above the zero level. Probably get rid of a few of these lines, no need for them anymore. Well and truly past the bullish divergence. All right, so yeah, blue lines like that, just support or resistance levels. So there's my sell up there. New sell signal today on the QMP filter. Didn't take it, already got a sell in place. Euro pound, all right, S2 was a sequence buy stopped out, so I'm pretty sure it was a trade here. Yep, you can see I had a buy trade in here and the stop was that red dotted line. Prices come down, stopped me out, gave me $7.99, which has been added to the total, so I can get rid of that stop now. That's gone. So I've only got the one sequence on, which is all these trades here, which is this big pile of muck over here. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. Everyone has access to that shared spreadsheet. The link to it is in the description of the video. So you're more than welcome to check out the trade results. I've been trading the 12-hour chart since the 3rd of Feb. So there's a lot of trades happening there. I'm not even sure how many trades I've taken. There's been a couple of hundred, I know that. I'll have a quick look while I'm here. Maybe not. 12-hour, where are we up to? And that'd be right. Let's have a look. I know you can't see it, but I'm just quickly looking at it, see how many trades I've got. Wow, 500 and something. Didn't think it was that many. 540 roughly. So yeah, taking plenty of trades on the 12-hour charts. So let's move on. Euro yen. Sequence one buy. All right, I'm going to buy trade here. All I've done this morning is move my stop up. So stop moved up to 120.573. That's a red dotted line. So I'm going to buy again. Warning line here. There was a sell signal there, and I didn't take it. So I obviously thought it was high risk and didn't bother taking it, which has obviously been a smart thing. Look, I could probably start looking at drawing a trend line through here and consider taking this sell trade. The sell trade's still valid at the moment, and I'll probably get a better price, but it's still a high risk trade into the MAs. So if you drew a trend line through here, for example, broke that trend line to the downside, you could probably consider taking a sell trade there. But at the moment, I'm in a buy, so it's all right. Pound CAD. All right, I was in a sequence of buy from here, then a hedge sell, then a second buy. The yellow dash line was my overall break even. So it went up through it initially, but not enough to get me excited. I didn't have an opportunity to get out. It's come against me, and bang, it's gone up in the last overnight. It's gone right up nicely through the overall break-even level, and the MACD Platinum's on the wrong side of the zero level. So what I've done is I've closed the original buy, the hedge sell, and I've closed 0.04 of the second buy and put a stop in place. That's that red dotted line. So I just leave the lines in place to show you where the trades were, then I'll delete them now. I've got it on the video. So that's gone, that's gone. So that gave me a profit of about $20.47. It's been added to the total, and the spreadsheet's been updated accordingly. And we'll get rid of these two. And the overall break even, because that's no longer really applicable. Got a stop in place. So I've got a buy with 0.02 with a stop above the entry level. So I can't lose on that. Looking good. USD CAD. Righto. Got a new buy signal this morning. There's a green dot on the QMP filter. MACD Platinum's just below the zero level. There is hidden bullish divergence, which is my favorite type of divergence. Hidden, that is, not bullish. Doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish, hidden. So basically higher lows on price and lower lows on the oscillator or the MACD Platinum. It's below the zero level, and with divergence, as long as one end is on the right side of the zero level, which this case is just. Look, it's not a spectacular setup. It's a bit high risk because we're going into the MAs, but because I'm hammering out a lot of trades on the 12-hour charts, I'm going to take it. So it's a buy there. So what I've done with sequence 1, S1, sequence 1, which is this one, I've taken a second hedge buy on this candle, and I've also taken a new buy for sequence 2 on the same candle. So 2 trades taken on the same candle, no problem. Overall break even's all the way up here. Don't worry about that too much. That's a long way away and highly unlikely I'm going to get up there, but that's neither here nor there at the moment. What I'm trying to do is make some money out of sequence 2 if I can. Get the MACD Platinum right above the zero level again, then either close sequence 2 or take a new sequence 3, but then take another sell for sequence 1. So it could take a while. This thing's going pretty well sideways. That's not really much of a not trending there at all. What's that, from 11th of June, so over a month just going sideways. Right, USD, Japanese yen. What do I do here? Here we go, I'll read my notes. Yep, the buy, sequence 1. I don't know where my sequence things have gone. There they are there. I'm going to have to fix that up. Sequence 1 buy, I've just moved the stop up to 107.202, just to tighten things up a little bit here. It's another sideways pair at the moment, as you can see. Overall break even's a yellow dashed line, and because as long as price remains below that yellow line, which it just is at the moment, because I'm net negative 0.01, I'm overall break even on both trades. I've got a buy, stop in place, taking a new sell. MACD Platinum's above the zero level, and it's not going that well to sell. So, but at the moment, I'm just in the money on that. All right, so that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. So as I said, the spreadsheet is available to everyone. The link to that's in the description of the video. If you're concerned about hedging, or you don't know much about hedging, just go to the old JAGfx YouTube channel, or Jim Brown YouTube channel, and up in the search box, which you probably can't see at the moment, you can see all my videos I've done here. These are all 12-hour chart. You type in the word hedging in the search box in my channel, it'll bring up a couple of videos. An older one, and one that's probably from earlier this year. So there's a couple of videos there. If you want to know more about the method itself, then if you just type in high probability, you're going to get all those weekly ones and that. So that's probably not a good idea. But if you put in high probability examples or example, you'll get these couple of videos. So JAGfx high probability setup and example. So it's a pretty lengthy video. That's April 2020. Another one from 2018, So that shows you setup and examples also. So there's videos there to show you the system in action, so there's no dramas. Just go to the channel, high probability example. I know you can't see it because that's just the way I'm set up for my video, but that's it. All right, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do like the video, please hit the like button, or nothing else, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, most of the rules, or close to it, are in those videos or on this sheet here. Just pause the video, you can read it and have a look, see what all my different colors, etc. are. All right, time for me to go get some bacon and eggs for breakfast. I'll chat to you guys later. Cheers.